Hello everyone. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today we're making yam and vegetable egg sauce. It is really easy to make and it is very nutritious. So, without further ado, let's get on into it. So, basically, here are the ingredients. We need yam, we need some eggs. I'm using about 6 eggs. We need red and green bell peppers, some plum tomatoes, onion, salt, bouillon cube, and of course we need some cooking oil. I'll be using sunflower oil. You can use any oil of your choice. So we'll start by peeling the yam. So we just basically peel and wash the yam. So after washing the yam, you want to put it in a cooking pot, add some salt, and bring to boil. So you want to wash your veggies and chop them to your preferred sizes and of course shapes. So this is how I like to chop mine. I will gently chop my onion, red and green bell peppers, and my plum tomatoes and set aside. How do you like to chop your veggies? Leave me a comment down below and let me know. Let's quickly see how our yam is doing. Oh, the yam is almost ready. It's about to go down. I'm just gently cracking the eggs and we'll later go in a whisk and season them. Here we have our nicely chopped red and green bell peppers, our plum tomatoes, onion, and our cracked eggs. So we're gonna whisk the eggs first and then season with about half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of black pepper, bouillon cube. You can use whatever seasoning of your choice actually, and whisk gently. put your frying pan on heat. You want to put some cooking oil. I'm using sunflower oil, about 3 to 4 tablespoons of sunflower oil. And then you're gonna add the onions and fry gently on medium heat until translucent, just like so. At this stage, I like to add my red and green bell peppers. If you have Scotch bonnet, you can also add. I don't have any at the moment. I like to add my green and red bell peppers first before my plum tomatoes. How do you like to fry your vegetable egg sauce? Leave me a comment, please. So we're just gonna keep stirring and frying for about 1 minute before we add the plum tomatoes. After adding your plum tomatoes, you want to gently stir and leave it to cook for about 1 minute before adding your seasoning. So I'm adding salt, red chili pepper, and a bouillon cube. After adding the seasoning, just let it cook for about 1 minute before you add your eggs. After adding the eggs, reduce the heat to cook and firm up a little. When it starts to firm up, pull it from under the pan so it cooks evenly, just like I'm doing right now. And that's it, guys. Our vegetable egg sauce is ready, looking so colorful and tastes very delicious, and it's also very easy to make. So leave me a comment down below if you've made this recipe before and how you enjoy eating it. For this, you can have it alone, you can have it with rice, you can have it with yam like I'm doing right now, you can have it with plantain, bread, sweet potato, whatever. I really hope you try this recipe. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks for watching, guys, and stay blessed. See you in my next one. Bye.